lokal na pamahalaan. At siya po ang tunay na sabi nga nila, experience is the best teacher. Kaya sa usapin nito, mas maganda pong siya muna ang magbigay ng paunang salita. Senator Tolentino?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Hindi naman siguro experience, mas maraming well-experienced dito. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. But let me state in advance that after this perhaps preliminary statement, I'll be asking the permission of the chair to be excused because I have to attend to, similar to yesterday's event in Bohol, there's another event likewise happening in Tagaytay wherein local government officials from Southern Leyte have convened and would perhaps be discussing important points relative to local governance. So, Chairman, relative to resolution of both houses, number 5, understand that there is pending before the Senate Committee of the Whole a resolution, Senate resolution of both houses number 7, which refers to economic provisions. And as I have glanced your measure, Mr. Chairman, I don't see any conflict, except perhaps some political analysts, perhaps today, day after tomorrow, would be distracted as to their perception of what this committee is doing. My point here, Mr. Chairman, is that based on my experience, I have full support in terms of extending the term of office of local officials. I have stressed over and over again that the real problem solvers of the Philippines are our LGUs. Without them, perhaps we would be in a more bad shape. Let me cite an example. Even this present predicament of El Nino, it is our local chief executive, it is our vice mayor, it is our governor, it is the councilors, the barangay officials. And proof of this would perhaps be the past pandemic experience. It's not the IITF, modesty aside, no offense to them. It's your mayor. It's your barangay nutrition scholar. It's your barangay health worker as following the commands of the local chief executive. Having said all of this, Mr. President, I wish to reiterate my support relative to the extending the term of office of governors, vice governors, board members, mayors, vice mayors, councilors all over the land, considering, Mr. Chairman, that the 3-year term, having been a mayor myself for several terms in Tagaytay, and I can always cite my Tagaytay experience as one of my lifelong lessons in governance. Kulang po yung 3 taon. And having been elected as the national president of the League of City Mayors before, I also commiserate with good mayors. We had good mayors then during my time. Ang gagaling po ng mga nakasabay kong city mayors. One of them became a Speaker of the House. I'm referring to Sonny Belmonte. One of them became a Vice President. I'm referring to Judge Omar Binay. One of them became President of the Philippines. I'm referring to President Rodrigo Duterte. Ito po yung mga nakasabayan ko. Ang gagaling po nung one of them became the DILG Secretary. I'm referring to Jesse Robredo. So ito yung hanay po nung ang gagaling. Pero nakita ko, much as they would want to expand the coverage of their passion to serve, kulang talaga yung 3 years. Kulang talaga yon. Sa mga gobernador, andun din po yung mga magagaling na nasa local officials talaga yun eh. Kahit saan mo bunutin yon, yung mga gobernador natin, Ang gagaling po nun. Ang gagaling po nun. And Governor Mandanas is a prime example of how a provincial chief executive can harness the resources of his province. My own governor in Cavite, John Vic Remulla. Cavite is a prime province. The same is true with Gwendolyn Garcia. Lahat po magagaling eh. So I have a prepared statement here, Mr. President, to abbreviate my explication of support. I wish to manifest my support for for resolution of both houses number 5, proposing amendments to 1987 Constitution, particularly Article 10 on local government. Local government. I underscore local government. Dito po muna ako, hindi na dun sa ibang provisions that might drag me into a different terrain, which I might be asked to explain tomorrow. So dito na ako sa local government. This resolution recommends the extension of the term of local government officials from 3 to 4 years. And I quote the local government code. This is Public Act 7160. Your resolution, Mr. Chairman, would amend Section 8 of Article 10 of the local government provision in the Constitution. Section 8, the term of office of elected officials except barangay officials, which shall be determined by law, shall be 4 years, and no such officials are served for more than 3 consecutive terms. Voluntary renunciation of the office for any length of time shall not be considered as an interruption in the continuity of his service for the full term for which he was elected, unquote. Mr. Chairman, again, as former mayor of Tagaytay City, as former president of the League of Cities of the Philippines, as former Metro Manila Development Authority chairman, having supervision over 17 LGUs in Metro Manila, I believe that it is incumbent upon me to address one of the painful truths of local governance. One, how long-term strategic planning and development is almost impossible. Almost impossible. And how meaningful reforms are unceremoniously discontinued even before they take root and effect meaningful change. Much of these challenges are attributed to how far too short local chief executives stay in office to implement change at the grassroots. Ulitin ko po, ang mga pamahalaan lokal sa akin pong paniniwala ang talagang susi po para sa solusyon sa problema ng ating bansa. This is inimical to public interest, yung pong 3 years, and a hurdle to the continuity, stability, and consistency of public service. Kalahati po ng term, after 1.5 years, nag-aaway na po. Nagpe-prepare na kung mag-expire na si Mayor kung sinong lalaban. Kaya ang nangyayari po nito, yung na-perpetuate yung quote-unquote dynasty, etc. etc. So yun lang po yung nangyayari niyan. Kaya si Mayor, ang nangyayari, minsan nagba-vice mayor, minsan lumilipat, yung iba nga, municipal administrator na. But I submit, Mr. Chairman, that extending the terms of office of local elected officials will greatly foster value in the administration of local governance. In the interest of time, let me again briefly state 3 points. First, on legacy. The proposed term of the office of LG officials would allow them to thoroughly immerse themselves in local challenges and forge strong connections with the people. The extension of term will enable them to make more informed decisions that can meet the specific needs of their communities. Consequently, such an extension would encourage local officials to take on long-term projects which have great potential for enduring and sustainable initiatives that could benefit their constituents well beyond their terms in office. Mr. President, during the last 4 months, I have accompanied several LGU heads and vice mayors to various programs spearheaded by my office. Alam po ito ni Attorney Coro. Last 3 months ago, I tied up with the Lee Kuan Yew Institute in Singapore. Last month, I had a program in conjunction with another program of the Hague Academy of Local Governance. At ito naman ngayong darating na Hunyo, I think I'll have another program in Thailand. All of this are participated by local chief executives, governors, vice governors, mayors, as scholars. At nakikita ko po doon, Mr. Chairman, meron kaming 10-day, 9-day classroom activities. Yung mga mayors po natin, nagno-notes, nagre-recite, nagmibigay ng presentation. Nakikita ko po yung kanilang passion for local governance. And these are mayors coming from various parts of the country. We have from Sulu. We have from the vice governor of Laguna was there. The vice governor of Bohol, the vice governor of Marinduque, to name a few. So makikita po natin talagang ito, nag-aaral. Nag-aaral talagang nakikita ko na ang sinasabi nga ng mga dean kasi nasa sa gilid lang po ako ng kwarto, ang gagaling daw ng mga Filipino local officials. Ang gagaling nila. They would not just want to learn, but they would want to replicate what they have learned and transform their ideas and learnings into something concrete. And yet they are stymied by the 3-year term. 3 taon lang, politiko na uli. Politika na uli, di ba? So, malaking tulong po ito, Mr. Chairman, at sa palagay ko po, sasang-ayunan ito ng marami. And secondly, Mr. Chairman, an extended term for mayors, governors, would enhance accountability. Local officials will have more time to deliver on their promises and fulfill their mandates. With fewer interruptions from election cycles, they can focus more on governance. Officials can build on past successes and avoid unnecessary reversals of policies, resulting in more efficient use of resources. Yesterday, I had the privilege of ribbon cutting at a pet project of mine in an area called Alicia, Bohol. We opened a project, it's called Colegio de Alicia. Pangarap po ng mga mayors noon pa na magkaroon sila ng sariling paaralan. Matagal na silang sumusulat sa CHED, hindi naman sila mapagbigyan. Pero ngayon po, dahil sa may kapangyarihan sa local government code at yung mayor kahit bago lang, karugtong din ng pangarap ng mga dating mayor, nasimula namin yung Colegio de Alicia, a small community college that would offer programs for the residents of Alicia, Bohol. And the same is true with what I'm doing in Laurel, Batangas. We have opened a Liceo de Laurel, another small community college in Laurel, Batangas. When I was mayor, ang una ko pong ginawa, modesty aside, Mr. Chairman, was to establish the City College of Tagaytay. Hanggang ngayon po, bukas pa yung City College of Tagaytay. And marami na pong nagkasunod-sunod na yan. Pamantasan ng Muntinlupa. And then you have pamantasan ng Caloocan, among others. Ang dami na pong. And then right now, I'm supporting the initiative to have a Louisiana Community College in Laguna, a small town. So nakikita natin yung mga mayors natin, mga local officials talagang nakatutok din po sa kinabukasan ng mga kabataan. Why am I saying this? I'm saying this because all the initiatives would not come from the national government, would not come from the cabinet. No offense to former cabinet officials here. It would come from the grassroots. So ito pong papalayag ng term ng mga mayors, governors, ay palagay ko po makakatulong because it would unleash not just the passion but the initiatives of local officials. Kaysa pigilan mo ito, magplano na uli ng politika, patrabahuhin mo muna. Finally, it would result in greater competitiveness and efficiency in governance. Longer leadership terms can potentially inculcate expertise and competence among civil servants. Stability and consistency instead of the revolving door policy can sustain streamlined administrative processes and efficient delivery of public service at the local level. Mr. President, nung isang linggo, hindi ko lang alam kung saan ako galing. Sa dami ko na napuntahan, kaya na kapoy na ho ako. Meron po akong isang napuntahang bayan sa, kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, 6th District of Pangasinan. It's either Umingan, Asingan, or another town nearby. Ang plano po ng mayor, yung palengke po nila na ginagawa ngayon, utilizing local funds, magkaroon ng hotel, local hotel na maliit sa loob para nang sa ganon to attract tourists kasi wala pang hotel sa kanila. Sabi ko doon sa mayor, during my younger days, I was able to visit an exact prototype somewhere in the Ottawa-Carleton region in Canada. Yun lang po yung pinagyayabang nung Ottawa-Carleton region, yung palengke nila sa gitna may hotel. Magkakasama na. So, you fuse here, kung matuloy yun sa mayor sa Pangasinan, you fuse here not just the one town, one product, you fuse here the local creativity of the artisans of that town, and then you foster competitiveness among the traders in the nearby area. So lahat pong ito posibleng mangyari, Mr. Chairman, at ako po ay sumusuporta sa inyong resolution, believing that it is now time to focus on local development efforts that would really last through generations. Hindi na po yung, huwag na magagalit sa akin, mga NEDA po yung mga hanap natin. Yung minsan yung mga NEDA, pag iba na yung presidente, iba na rin yung plano. Pero po sa local, yun po yung gusto nila. Matayo yung palengke namin, matayo yung eskwelahan namin, matayo yung ospital namin, magkaroon kami ng cold storage facility. Simple lang po ang buhay sa probinsya. Simple lang po ang buhay sa Dumaguete. Simple lang po ang buhay sa Tanhay, sa Bayawan, di ba, sa Bais. Lahat po, narating ko na po lahat yan. Alam po ito ni Secretary Teves. So, I share the same aspirations as other local government officials nationwide are dreaming right now. Nahaba-habaan naman yung term. I share the same frustration. Bakit ang iksi nung term nila, samantalang sila yung pinakamaraming ginagawa. So, Mr. Chairman, having said all of this, I reiterate my support to your resolution of both houses, number 5, specifically on the provisions that would result in a 4-year term for governors, mayors, vice governors, vice mayors, board members, and members of the Sangguniang Pambayan and Sangguniang Panlunsod. I appeal to the members of this committee that your resolution be approved, Mr. Chairman, specifically on the matter concerning local government officials. Your humble member of this committee would like to thank you for this opportunity to have stated for the record my support, and perhaps during your second round I would be more active in dissecting and refining the hubris of this very important, vital constitutional amendment. Maraming salamat po, Chairman Senator Robin Hood Padilla.
Maraming